from a rivalry standpoint going into this?
As far as I know, it's one of the biggest rivals we got, probably the biggest one. So I'm looking forward to it. It's my first time playing in the game, so I'm looking forward to going out there and see what the environment's like. Hopefully down there and get a win over it. So looking forward to it.
What have you heard from your teammates about this environment and just the loudness? And obviously, Coach Avery brought music in today. How did that affect practice?
I mean, I heard it's crazy. I heard like the student section is like right there on the court, like around us. So I heard they're gonna be saying some crazy stuff to us before the game. So we got to be prepared for that mentally. So I think we'll do a good job of handling. We'll make sure all the things. So we'll be ready for it going in on Saturday. We'll be ready.
I know this will be your first game in here, but how much is this team talking about the fact that y'all never won there? At least under 8.
I think it's one of the biggest things, we haven't accomplished yet, as far as us as a team, as a program here with Avery being here. So we definitely want to go in there and hopefully give it our best shot and hopefully come out with a win on Saturday for sure. So.
You've played in some crazy environments, though, in the Big 12.
Yeah,
so what's the craziest environment you played in?
In the Big 12 was probably playing at Kansas. That was crazy. At Lawrence Fieldhouse, crazy.
You have time for a couple more guys.
Avery talked, obviously, piping in noise. He said early on it was confusion. What was that like, kind of adjusting to that?
Come on, in practice today?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know what it was at first. I heard it just on the speaker. I thought it was like a storm or something. I didn't know what was going on, but it was definitely a good thing to get it out there and have us practice with it today, so we can kind of get used to it. Because we're gonna have a lot of it coming Saturday, so we got to be ready for it and ready to play through it and play during it. So.
Just like we came in, it was just blaring noise, or was there rap or?
No, it was just like blaring noise. It sounded like an ocean or something. I didn't know. It sounded like some water, like a storm. So I didn't really know what it was, but it was definitely like a loud noise in the background, some clapping too. So.
Anything else, guys?
The noise that was piped in today.
Oh yeah, we was using that just kind of to get used to talking over noise, just so once we get to the game, we won't be as nervous or having so many emotions, like I said.
Can you describe it as the ocean? I mean, how would you kind of describe what you heard?
What we using today? It was loud, just loud. Like the crowd would be, not as loud as it's gonna be there, but just something to give us to work with.
Is it easy for crowds to get into a team's head when you get on the road in a game like that?
A little bit. It is. It can be a little intimidating at first if you haven't been down there, but a lot of us have experience going down there, so we can help the younger guys who haven't been there before get used to it.
Have you ever done that before in a practice with the noise?
No, honestly, I haven't done that before. First time.
What was it like? Do you think that it will help the team in Saturday's game?
Yeah, I think it'll help us a lot, just getting used to that noise and talking over it, having to talk loud and communicate with each other.
How can a game like this really help momentum-wise and moving forward for your team?
Yeah, I think it'll help us a whole lot. Coming off the win from Mississippi State, I feel like this is a win that we probably need just to get us some confidence and some momentum going into the next couple of weeks.
How has that been really win-loss really for the last 3 weeks? What's it going to take to kind of string a couple together?
Just finding some consistency, trying to do what we need to do as hard as we can every rep, so that's all, just finding consistency in what we do.
Anything else for Galin?
Going into this game, it being a rivalry game.
It has been a different feeling. We just sort of work the same way we've been working towards every game.
Will you have a different feeling Saturday, though, in that environment? In this rivalry?
Yeah, of course. It's the Iron Bowl for the basketball, so we'll have a little bit more edge going into the game.
Describe what that's like as a player standpoint, just to have people yelling at you, just kind of a heightened intensity and stuff like that.
I mean, it's been happening all our life, so we're pretty much used to it now. We just got to show up and play.
What do you remember about being there last year?
Very loud. Yeah, very loud. If they come out early, we just got to respond. So I feel like if we respond, we'll be good.
With the students being so close, do you hear what they're saying? Is it?
Yeah, we do. I mean, when we start playing, it's just I really hear a lot. Just in tune to the game.
Avery said, obviously, y'all piped in music today. Was that difficult early on? Avery said y'all piped in music today. Was that difficult early on? You're somebody that handles the ball a lot. Was that hard to talk about conversation?
No, it wasn't hard. I feel like we communicate loud enough to hear each other on the court, so no, it wasn't difficult at all today.
As someone from Alabama, does this game mean more to you? Do you have an extra meaning, growing up with it?
Somewhat. I mean, I've always wanted to be Auburn, so and anyone I play, so I mean, you could say it means a lot. I mean, it means more.
Along those lines, Alabama's had difficulties in this game in Auburn Arena. Does that add anything to this, knowing that y'all want to be that team to get through that?
Yeah. Like today, we try to prepare for it to be so loud going down there. So, yeah, I feel like we got a good chance of being that team to beat them.
Anything else, guys?
How
How important is it for you to avoid foul trouble and stay aggressive on defense?
It's very important. I feel like we're a better team if I'm not in foul trouble, you know, to help on the defensive end. But it's kind of hard too for me to stay aggressive, like how I want to play defense, the way, you know, sometimes like they call. So yeah, I say it's important for me to stay out of foul trouble to impact the game.